In this section, we will briefly review the process of creating a meme template. First, let's change the background color of the project. If you select the color node in the editor, color property appears in the property view on the right, and we will change this value to white. Your project now has a white background. Next, let's create a text node. Let's drag the text node of the Create section on the left into the editor. Alternatively, you can create a text node by pressing the spacebar and searching for a text node in the shortcut menu. Now, if you drag and drop an image to be used in a meme from the web or a local folder, an image node is created. Let's composite the background, image, and text. Create a blend node in the composite section. The blend node is compositing the two image nodes. Connect the two nodes by dragging the output socket of the color node and dropping it on the background socket of the blend node. In the same way, connect the image node and the image socket of the blend node, and a gizmo will appear. You can now modify this gizmo to position the image. Now it's time to overlay the text to it. You can work with text node in the same way as image node. Finally, connect the blend node to the output node. Congratulations! You have completed your first meme template through MemeNgin.